Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best 3D pen art that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Mint 3D MP032 Child Safe Junior 2 3D Printing Pen for Kids. Grasp the enchantment of 3D art printing with the Mint 3D MP032 3D Printing Pen. It is specifically designed for kids as it features a low-temperature nozzle and grasps an ergonomic design that is easy to hold and will not burn young hands. In addition to that, the pen has a sealed nozzle design to stop clogs while providing countless hours of learning and enjoyment. This pen is battery-powered, and you can charge it using the micro USB. Watch your young architects, artists, or builders' imaginations grow off the paper in 3D. This pen uses low-temp 1.75mm PCL filament that is safe for your kids. The package is included with the USB cable, starter stencils, user manual, 3D pen, and 3 rolls of MYNT 3D PCL plastic. Moving on at number 4, we have 3 Doodler Creators, Adults, and Teens 3D Printing Pen with stencil book and free refill filaments. 3 Doodler aims to deliver a competitive and affordable 3D doodle pen to assist you in unleashing your creativity. This printing pen features improved durability, power, and reliability to allow a superior doodling experience. Moreover, it is provided with the 3 Doodler app with step-by-step interactive instructions and easy-to-follow stencil section. You will also find badges for a photograph and completed projects that you can try to create on your own on this app. This printing pen is packed with a comprehensive activity guidebook and free 15 colors of plastic refills that allow you to start working on your creative art once you purchase it. The pen is non-toxic and safe to use, and it is compatible with 3 Doodler Create 3mm ABS, PLA, and Flexi Plastic only. At number 3, we have Mint 3D OLED Display Professional Printing 3D Pen. This 3D drawing pen by MYNT 3D is safe and easy to use. It is a fantastic tool for modern arts and crafts, and it is a perfect gift for friends and family members on birthdays, Valentine's Day, New Year, and Christmas. The pen has an adjustable feed that enables you to regulate the flow and speed for optimal control of the material whenever you are drawing. Moreover, the temperature is adjustable from 130 to 240 C in a 1-degree increment for optimal fine-tuning. Typically, this 3D pen features a large OLED display that helps you monitor the material temperatures, assisting you in achieving various effects. The kit is included with 3 colors of ABS plastic filament that allows you to start your art once you get the pen after purchase. At number 2, we have Scrib 3D P1 3D Printing Pen include project guide, 3 starter colors PLA filament and charger. If you are looking for a 3D printing pen that you can utilize to learn to doodle, the Scrib 3D P1 printing pen is a great option. You can use it to build, doodle, draw, and create in 3D easily, allowing you to improve creativity, spatial thinking, and artistic skills. It is also perfect for the family for hand-making decorations around your home. This product features larger buttons, an ergonomic design, and a large LCD screen for clear temperature and mode display. The P1's premium motor and ceramic nozzle ensure high performance and safety without clogging. It is ready to use the kit as it comes with 3 colors 15 meters of PLA filament. It is also included with a free stencil guide, step-by-step manual, and a power adapter. Above all, its intuitive controls allow a seamless doodling experience. And finally at number 1. 3 Doodler 3D Pen Set Start Essentials, easy to learn. Use home art activity set, ages 6+. Here is another economical pen marketed for both adults and kids under the 3 Doodler brand. It is designed with no hot parts, making it completely safe for children aged 6 years and more. The plastic and pen nozzle can be touched without the risk of burning. This pen has refined extrusion gears that allow a smoother 3D drawing experience. In addition to that, as a tactile learning toy, this 3D pen art will inspire creativity, building, planning, design, and spatial understanding to your kid. The pen comes with an app that allows you to get an interactive experience and follow instructions to learn how to use it. The box includes packs of 48 strands start plastics, an activity guide, and a micro USB charger. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.